see the Kroger 3-day sale couponing matchups for the sale this week? If so, stay tuned. Hi everyone, and welcome to AYJJJR Couponers. I am here with the Kroger 3-day sale couponing matchups that will run from tomorrow, November 22nd through Sunday, November 24th. Lots of great items a part of this 3-day sale that you're not going to want to miss, especially Christmas gifts. It feels like a lot of good Christmas gifts, actually. So, yeah, I like how Kroger is aiming towards that. So, let's just dive right in. Oh, if I can get my keyboard right. So first up, if you haven't seen my Kroger video from yesterday, go and watch that. There are so many deals in there, like 5 free items you're just not going to want to miss. And then also, if you want even more deals, come back tomorrow at 8 a.m. because a new couponing haul video will be posted on my channel with all the new awesome deals I got today. Like, I did some old school extreme couponing, and it was a lot of fun. So be sure to come back for that. All right, so these are, of course, with the 5X digital coupons, which are available to load from the Kroger site, as always. So they have the Kroger butter for $1.99, awesome price. We have some Candlelight candles here for $2.99 with the digital coupon, which is a very good deal for some candles. Think Christmas gifts. Get stuff for Christmas. This turkey carving kit, which is a little weird, but whatever. They are a $19.99 with the digital coupon, so you could do that. We have the Private Selection Cheesecake, $9.99 with digital coupon. That looks so good. We have the Clever Kids Games. They are $4.99 with digital coupons. And then we have the Frozen/Star Wars toys, 30% off with the digital coupon. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. If I can get the camera off. Thank you for watching.